Hello everyone, I'm Shiman Rashid and I'm pleased to share that our resort have achieved a green upgrade in electricity with the help of SAONON company. Before the renovations, our resort relied on diesel generators and as our main power source, which resulted in high electricity cost and high emission, causing certain pollutant to the ecological environment. So we hope to introduce a greener and lower carbon emission system while ensuring the reliability of power supply and reducing electricity bills. On the recommendation of our friend, we learned that SAONON company, which is a trustworthy company, and our resort first phase of renovation was very successful, not only ensuring stable power source supply but also saving nearly $100,000 of fuel costs after 6 months of renovation. Carbon emission and the noise impact in diesel generators were effectively reduced. The SAONON team is very professional, always respond and solve problems in timely manner, which make me feel at ease. Best product is the energy management platform, which can integrate with diesel generators, photovoltaics, and the energy storage into the platform for the management while ensuring the solar energy is always prioritized, which saves a lot of electricity expenses. Platform is very user friendly and I can easily manage the power generation equipment and intuitively understand the power generation and electricity consumptions. Second phase of power renovation for the resort has already begun and we look forward to more cooperation with SAONON company to transform all diesel generator sets into solar energy. By then the ecological environment of Maldives will be even better.